What's up, guys? It's Blaine with BounceWave. We're out here at a big school job setup that we do every year for the end of the year celebration. It's 12 water slides, 6 of those being 2 pieces. And we love using our hybrid tarps out here, the hybrid tarps that are made exclusively by BounceWave. Now, the hybrid tarps are made specifically for our hybrids, not our 2 pieces, but what we'll do is combine 2 or sometimes 3 of our hybrid tarps to use on our big long 2 pieces. They're a lot cleaner, they're a lot easier, a lot more compact rather than using the big tarps, and the quality of them is unmatched. They're made with commercial vinyl, so never gonna have any issues in terms of tearing or kind of thinning out like some of your other tarps you get from Sam's and such. So real quick, we'll show you how we set it up on our 2-piece. So this is what it comes rolled up as when you pull it out of the bag. So as you can see, it's pretty compact. And what we'll do is on the tarp, you'll see we have a ton of grommets surrounding the whole perimeter of the tarp. Gives you ample spots to put tarp stakes. There's no one spot you have to put it. Gives you plenty of options. And what we'll do is we'll spread it out and get it all the way up as close to the slide as we can over our staking points that we stake down along the slide to kind of cover that up. And we'll push it up flush against the slide best we can, kind of make it seamless and clean. And we're going to come up, we want to come up under the lip here, so we're going to actually come up a little more. Ryan, go ahead and pull it back a little bit. All right, that's good. So what we'll do is take our tarp stakes. Now the stakes, we don't make them as of now. I think we get them from Lowe's or Home Depot, and they're really good quality tarp stakes, a lot better than the plastic ones that break. So we can hit it, come to this corner first. So you'll see width-wise, it's perfect width, 6 foot wide, 20 foot long is 1 tarp. So for your hybrids, 6 foot long, 6 foot wide, 20 foot long, and then we'll end up doing, go ahead, and we'll end up doing 2 of those here. So he's just gonna stake in there on that grommet. Gonna get it nice and tight. Come over to this corner here. Get it as tight into this corner. And to me, this is a much cleaner look than, again, your big size tarps you bring. A lot of times you have to combine multiple tarps together that are different sizes, different colors. It just kind of looks a little eh. So if you can get a tarp like this, a lot cleaner. Our customers love them, we love them. And he'll go ahead and stake down that corner there, and then we're gonna open up another one because it's a 2-piece, not a hybrid. So we're gonna double down. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and attach the second tarp to the first one we put down. And if you noticed a little bit before in the video, we ended up staking these 2 corners. We pulled those out because obviously what we're gonna do is stake these 2 together through both of the same grommets together. So they stay together, they'll overlap, they won't come apart, they'll stay super flush. We obviously won't put one in the center there just because it's not gonna be safe for kids to be running across the tarp with a little piece of metal sticking up right in the center of it. So we'll leave that one open, but you see it kind of goes seamlessly together. It looks really flush. Again, you don't have a bunch of different size tarps kind of scattered all over trying to tie them down. And you'll see here, he'll just go ahead and line this side up. He'll go as flush as possible before he decides to stake the pool down. He'll put this in, kind of line it up, and it's easy as that. When you have a hybrid, the hybrid tarps are super easy. It's 1 tarp, 4 to 6 stakes, and you're done. They're easy to roll up, they're easy to store. They're not, again, these huge sloppy rolls, and the quality of them is incredible. They're not going to wear on you like your normal tarps you'll find from Costco or Sam's. So definitely a buy. Get with us here at BounceWave at 888-901-9283 to get some on order for you. We can even customize the sizes for these if you want. So we could make 1 long one for 2 pieces. Yes, that's just something you have to get with us on, but we do make them for our hybrids as of now. Appreciate it, guys. We'll see you soon.